My name is Tom Raffield and I run a business which specialises in designing and manufacturing a range of lighting and furniture, and we focus on the process of steam bending, and we hand make everything at our workshops in Cornwall, England. Institute of Physics fell in love with the way that we were creating these sort of everyday products, but the aesthetic was, very unique, and they could see the simplicity, the way we curved and twisted and bent the wood to create these very functional items. We started looking at the Institute of Physics and what the organisation was all about and what they strive for, how they sort of really push innovation. For me, physics is all about pushing the boundaries and exploring new territory and trying to explain some of the fundamental things in life. What we wanted to do was actually come up with something that reflected that. This has been about pure creativity. We haven't known how we're going to get to the end result, but for me that's where the fun, the excitement comes. We needed to start off by looking for timber that was absolute best quality. So we were looking for 4.5 metre lengths of beautiful oak. So we found some trees in the Pyrenees. We knew that we could bend or torture in a very new way. So in total there's 66 pieces of wood. Each is about 4.5 metres long, and then they're joined in the middle. And in each piece of wood there's 13 bends. Each piece of wood has been bent in a different way, and the idea with that is they all come together to then create this form, this shape, this undulating, unusual pattern that you can see as a reception desk. We're so proud to be putting this piece in the Institute of Physics in their new space. It's probably one of the best pieces we've produced as a company, and certainly one of the most innovative. So it seems to be such a good fit, and we're very happy